Kindine HM750T is a super powerful, quiet and reliable energy-saving servo motor perfect for all types of heavy-duty industrial sewing machines. The HM750T is specifically designed for large barrel shuttle hook-type extra heavy-duty sewing machines, and is the first motor made specifically for these types of machines. 1 extra powerful servo motor. Hi-Tech 733 is one of the heaviest industrial sewing machines in today's market. The standard presser foot lift is 32 mm. The diameter of flywheel is 36 cm. Now let's test the power of motor with 30 mm thick high-density webbing. Usually the power and torque at low speed is the big challenge for this type servo motor. Let's test with 300 RPM. The motor can smoothly start. Now increase the speed to 2000 RPM. Still can run without any difficulty. 2. Save energy consumption by an astonishing 60% to 80%. Let's check the energy saving effect of servo motor via following 3 methods. In standby mode, the electricity consumption of the clutch motor is 185 watt. And the electricity consumption of the HM750T is 3.1 watt only. In idle mode, the electricity consumption of the clutch motor is 196 watt. And the electricity consumption of the HM750T is 37 watt only. When sewing machines are running smoothly, the electricity consumption of HM750T on left machine is 162 watt, and the electricity consumption of clutch motor on right machine is 344 watt. Kindine HM750T reduces electricity consumption by an astonishing 60% to 80%. Usually the cost of the motor can be recovered within the first 2 to 3 years of operation, by saving money on electricity bills. However, the advantage of time savings and labor cost saving will make the actual return on investment faster. 3 is super quiet. Kindine HM750T is an absolutely silent servo motor for creating a more pleasant work environment. The background noise is 61 dB. After turning on the servo motor, the noise did not increase. That means the noise of servo motor is lower than the background noise. Now let's check noise of clutch motor. After turning on the clutch motor, the noise rises to 75 dB. You can clearly hear the noise. For a servo motor with needle positioner, the synchronizer of Kindine needle position servo motor allows you to stop the needle in upper position. This 733 sewing machine equipped with Kindine HM750T servo motor you can see, every time stop sew, the needle stops in upper position automatically, so you can take out material directly at end of sewing. The 733 sewing machine equipped with clutch motor The needle stop position is completely random. In most cases, you have to turn handwheel to lift the needle, then take out the material. How many times a day do you have to remove your hand from your work, move the handwheel to lift needle, then remove the material? Kindine HM750T is great for time saving. 5. Wide range of applications. Another grade of Kindine motor is the kinetic dynamic sewing system. The motor is designed with 4 gears. 0 is for lightweight sewing machine. 1 is for medium weight sewing machine. 2 is for medium to heavy duty sewing machine. 3 is for heavy duty sewing machine. 4 is for extra heavy duty sewing machine. 6. Stable and accurate speed control. The sinusoidal wave current drive method provides unparalleled power and torque. Thus the motor runs gently and smoothly when motor shifts between low, middle, and high speed. This provides very accurate speed control. If you have any additional question or contact our engineer at info@automatic-sewing.com. Thank you for your time.